If your sales are flat in 2026, it's not a marketing problem. It's a math problem. Let me show you. Sales equals traffic times conversion times lifetime value. This is the only formula that matters. Most people focus only on traffic. But in 2026, AI-driven ads are expensive. You can't just buy your way to the top. Conversion is your engine. If your site is slow or the UX is messy, you are literally burning your ad budget. At Nazmul Hub, we use Claude AI to engineer landing pages that talk to the human brain, not just the algorithm. Then there's LTV. If you don't have a backhand system to bring customers back, you don't have a business, you have a hobby. When you optimize all three using AI, your sales don't just grow, they compound. That is the secret. We've scaled over 150 brands using this exact AI math. We find the leaks, fix the code, and drive the revenue. Ready to fix your math? Click the link for a free 2026 sales audit. Let's build your machine.